seriously quick, honestly. It's unbelievable. I don't know what sort of kilowatts it is or horsepower or anything, but it seriously gets your attention.
G'day everyone, this is John Bowe. I'm out at Gray's, my weekly visit, and these cars have become cult cars. Very notorious. It's a VL 5-speed manual turbo Commodore, but they were police interceptor cars. This bright yellow was Victorian particularly, and they are very sought after nowadays. So BT-1 is the code that identifies the car as a police pursuit, or interceptor as they used to call them, and Absinth Yellow, absinthe I guess after the drink, is the colour. So this particular car though has this very special engine. Rajab racing over at Campbellfield did it. It's very custom manifold, custom exhaust manifold. It's got an intercooler which they didn't have as a factory car. So this is a serious performance car, but it looks dead standard. So if you want to fool your mates at the traffic lights, this wouldn't be bad to do it. So these SL, they were SL turbos. That's what they based the Interceptor on. A very basic car really. It's got wind-up windows. You don't get that very often nowadays. 5-speed manual gearbox, normal velour trim as they called it. But with this engine, I reckon this would be very fast. A six-cylinder engine sounds great, doesn't it, really? Should we take it for a run, Aaron? Just down the road. You reckon we should? I reckon we should. So we're going to go and see what the big deal is about these BT1s. They've become very sought after by particularly Holden lovers, Commodore collectors, but this one's got this cracking engine in it that I suspect will be way too powerful for the chassis, but that's not the point, I guess. It's very tidy inside. It's got the original radio. The dash is all in one piece. The steering wheel's got a few flakes on it, but generally the interior looks like it, just left the showroom. Keep your eye on Gray's classic cars. This is the big telltale, the turbo badge, and I tell you something, this little sticker here on the back window says hectic, and I don't think I've ever driven anything quite as hectic. It's, mate, I haven't got any words for it. It is seriously tyre frying.
So if you'd like to keep up with everything that's happening in our classic car and bike department, why don't you join our Facebook page, Gray's Classics Cars and Bikes. And also, if you'd like to keep up to date with the videos we do at Gray's on classic cars and bikes, subscribe to our YouTube channel.